let's talk about the contraceptive methods. The first one is abstinence.
Mhm.
Abstain, do not start. That's the first contraceptive method.
Don't be sexually
Don't
active.
be sexually active.
Sounds like a best one, eh? Best one, I mean, for the
It's the
results.
best one on the market, I tell you.
Yeah.
It is the least used, but is the best one on the market. Don't engage in sexual intercourse. And then condoms. Right.
Mm.
And then for women, we have pills that they can take.
Wait, let's get on condoms. You remember I told you I was thinking of buying like the condoms and all that. But again, what stopped me was not time, it was the brands, because they all have brands. But I want to ask this question, probably you'll give me some clarity on condoms. Can you 100% rely on them despite or maybe in favor of the vegan? Like there are condoms where like a condom is 15 rand, right? And there's a condom that's free, and there's a condom that's 70 rand, 80 rand. Those who use condoms will know like which brands I'm talking about. Can you not rely 100% on the 80 rand one?
No, you can. There's no condom that you can rely 100% on because they make it, they tear, they weigh. So no condom can you say you are relying 100% on, whether it is expensive or cheap. I am assuming that the cheap condoms, they use cheaper materials, hence they are so cheap. And I'm also assuming that they never have scents. If they do have scents, I don't know. Look, I really do not know a lot about the brands and how they make these condoms, but I'm just assuming that the cheaper it is, the cheaper the materials that they use. So I would advise, if you want to go for something, go for the condom that is much more expensive.
Yeah.
It's funny because I don't know. I cannot compare.
Yeah.
But go to the clinic. Usually what the government tries to do is to give you things that are of value. So the condoms you will find at the public hospitals and public clinics, they've been tried and tested. And so we're not going to give you something that we are like, it's cheap, let's just give them. And, I don't really want to talk a lot about politics and all of that, but I trust my government in terms of that. In terms of health, I trust my government a lot. They're really trying their best. So there's disadvantages of condoms. It can break, it can tear, someone can poke holes into it and you might not see it. The advantage of it is that you just put it in and you take it out. It's not something that it's in your blood system. It's not something that you have to inject. You put it in, you throw it away. It's done and dusted. Don't reuse.
Yeah.
People will leave it there or they wash it and put it on again. Don't reuse. Once you single use is what we advise. So that's the condom.
So